Hello and welcome you all. After going through all the types of matrices, today we all learn equality of matrices and operation of matrices, in which we will learn how to subtract, add and multiply in a matrix. Now, our first topic is equality of matrices. Student, equality means if two matrices are comparable or not. And for that, order is the most important criteria. So, two matrices A and B are said to be equal if they are of same order and their corresponding elements are identical. That is, Aij is equal to Bij. For example, A11 will be equal to B11, means first element of A matrix, which is A11, is equal to first element of second matrix, which is B11. Similarly, A22 is equal to B22 and A32 is equal to B32. So based on equality of matrices, we will do one question, which is if x plus 3, 2y plus x, z minus 1, 4a minus 6 equal to 0, minus 7, 3, 2a. Then find the value of x, y, z and a. Now since student, in this question, the corresponding elements of two equal matrices are equal and their order are also same. So on comparing first element, which is x plus 3, with the first element of the corresponding matrix, which is 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3. Similarly, 2y plus x equal to minus 7. From here, we know that x equal to minus 3. And when we substitute x equal to minus 3, we get 2y is equal to minus 4. And y is equal to minus 4 upon 2, means y is equal to minus 2. And similarly, student, z minus 1 equal to 3. So z is equal to 4. And 4a minus 6 is equal to 2a. So from here, we get a is equal to 3. And now we will study operation on matrices. Our first operation is addition. So whenever we have to add two matrices, it must be of same order. Yes, this is the important criteria. The order must be same. So for example, let's say I take A matrix 1, 2, 3, 4 and B matrix 3, 6, 2, 1. Both the matrices have same order, which is 2 cross 2. So now we will add first element of A matrix, which is A11 equal to 1, with the first element of B matrix, which is B11, that is 3. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Similarly, student, 2 plus 6 is equal to 8 and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So from here, we conclude that if A and B are two matrices, each of order m cross n, then another matrix m cross n matrix obtained by adding the corresponding elements of the matrices A and B, which is denoted by A plus B. The order must be same. And now student, we will study some properties of matrix addition. Our first property is commutative, in which A plus B is equal to B plus A. Our second property is associative property, in which A plus bracket B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. And our third property is distributive property. We cannot apply distributive property in matrix addition. Our fourth property is law of cancellation. So there are two cancellation, left cancellation and right cancellation. In left cancellation, suppose A plus B is equal to A plus C. Now from here, A and A will cancel out and we get B is equal to C. Similarly, right cancellation, in which B plus A is equal to C plus A. So here, A and A will cancel out and we get B is equal to C. And now our second operation is subtraction of matrices. I have taken two matrices A and B. A matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is 13, 14, 15, 16. So in this, we have to find A minus B. Now student, in subtraction, we will subtract first element of A matrix, which is 1, with the first element of second matrix, which is 13. So 1 minus 13 is equal to minus of 12. And similarly, student, 2 minus 14 is equal to minus 12. 3 minus 15 is equal to minus 12. 4 minus 16 is equal to minus of 12. Now from here, we can also find B minus A. First element of B, which is 13, is subtracted by first element of A, which is 1. So 13 minus 1 is 12. Similarly, 14 minus 2 is 12. 15 minus 3 is 12. And 16 minus 4 is again 12. So all the elements of B minus A is 12, which is of order 2 by 2. Now we'll see some properties of matrix subtraction. So our first property is commutative. Now it is very, very important that in subtraction of matrix, the subtraction of matrix will not follow commutativity, in which A minus B can never be equals to B minus A. Similarly, student, it will also not follow property of associativity, in which A minus bracket B minus C is never equal to A minus B minus C. And here also, student, again, we will not apply distributive property in matrix subtraction. Now practice these two questions which are mentioned below on your screen and share me the solution. Thank you so much. As always, God bless you all.